We wish we had friendly neighborhood superheroes, detectives, and intelligence officers to raise alarms and fight crimes, just like in the movies. Our client, an early-stage security and surveillance startup, wanted to build a superpower system to help make the world more secure. And for this, they partnered with us. Our main task was to build a high-end, high-accuracy detection system for a school environment that would identify an active shooter from the client's surveillance camera footage. So we designed a system and trained it on a large, manually collected dataset of people holding weapons and non-weapons, such as mobile devices. Even though this was a more complex object detection problem, our solution achieved an extremely low false positive rate and a high detection rate. As a result, this proof-of-concept implementation helped our client raise their Series A venture capital round. AI superpower activated. Glad we could help.